Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Analytics API in Azure Functions. This is Genesys Cloud admin screen where you can do different things. First of all, we need to create role for our Azure function. Here we have add role, Azure function, role number 1. Here we also can put some description, and of course we need to choose permissions as we are going to use Analytics API. And we're going to use conversation aggregate view, so we need to choose this permission. And now we need to save it. Let's try to find Azure function role. Yeah, now we need to change membership and assign this role to current user. Yeah, we also can choose all divisions here if it requires. Save. So roles successfully save it and membership assign it. So now we need to refresh application, so role will be assigned to current user. And after that we will be able to use this role for our client credentials, which we need for Azure function. So let's go to admin screen. Here we need to choose OAuth. Yes. Now we need to add new client. Azure function client. Here we also can put description. Token duration means how much time a token will be valid, and after this time application needs to create new one token. So we're going to use client credentials, and now we need to assign created role. Also we can choose here divisions and we can choose other roles. Save. So now we have client ID and client secret, user who created this OAuth, and after that we will be able to use this client secret, client ID in our Azure function application. So this is Azure function application where I'm using a Purecloud API. I want to get conversation aggregates. So I already added a Purecloud platform Nugget package. This is official Nugget package. Also, I've created a conversations aggregates function with wrote conversations aggregates. Before using Purecloud API, we need to create API client with a specified base path. It's important to keep correct extension. It depends on environment of your Purecloud application. I mean your org, where your org sits. Then you need to create configuration and with API client as parameter. Also, I've added client ID, client secret to the local settings. Microsoft recommendation is to use Key Vault because it's a more secure way of keeping secrets, but for development it's fine to use local settings. So now we need to create access token with method post token. This token info contains access token, and it contains information when token will be expired and token type. So after token expired, you need to create new one token. Also, a good practice to cache this token, and on the next request to get token from the cache. Cache can be based on function memory or based on Azure storage. So now Analytics API, this is also from this Nugget package. We need to put configuration, and minimum requirement is to initialize interval with this in this format, where date from less than date to. Also important to use universal time. And if any errors occur inside Purecloud Nugget package, we will receive this API exception, which we can log, or we can get details of this exception and return bad request or handle whatever you want. Also, one important recommendation to put this API client into static variable, because Azure Functions has limit of like 600 active outbound connections, so it's important to have less than 600 outbound connections. Otherwise, you will receive error in Azure Function. So you can use Genesys Purecloud API. Thank you for watching.